On today's episode of What's in the Warehouse, we're talking about the Carlisle Snow Hog. Typically used on snowblowers, this tire features an X-shaped tread pattern with superior grip for use on snow, mud, and turf. It's tubeless and features wide spaces between the tread blocks to allow for self-cleaning, so you can keep your grip while removing the snow. It can also be used on riding mowers, lawn tractors, tillers, ATVs, and UTVs. While most parts of the country are already seeing snow, the rampant storms may have your tires wearing faster than you anticipated. Spring is right around the corner, which is the perfect time to swap out your old tires for some new ones so you're ready to roll next season.